Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Green Kitchen Channel. Today, we'll prepare a refreshing mango ice cream together with just a few ingredients and without an ice cream maker. All you need is a simple blender or mixer. Let's see how to make it. First, we need to choose a ripe mango. You can tell it's ripe when it has the mixture of a mature peach and a fragrant mango smell near the stem. Now, let's move on to cutting the mango. It has a large, flat, oval pit in the center, so we need to carefully cut around it. After peeling the mango, I used about 500 grams of fruit. Once we've peeled all the pieces, we add them to the blender. To help with blending and to achieve creaminess, I'm adding 150 milliliters of coconut milk. For enhanced flavors, I suggest adding a pinch of salt. I didn't add sweeteners because my mango was already sweet, but you can add your preferred amount of sweetener if you like. Once blended, we pour the mixture into a container. Close it tightly and let it rest in the freezer for 6 hours. After that, we take it out from the freezer, and the mixture should come out of the container on its own after a few minutes. If not, you can use a knife or immerse the bottom of the container in warm water to help it release. Then we cut the mango block into pieces, and in my case, I put them back in the blender. Blend it again, and if needed, stop and stir the mixture. Now we've obtained our delicious and creamy mango ice cream, even without an ice cream maker. I put it back in the same container for storage in the freezer, where it can be preserved for a long time. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and will try this ice cream. If you like, you can subscribe to the channel. Leave a like and a comment below, letting me know what you think of the recipe. You can find the ingredients in the description as in all my videos. Thank you so much for being here with me today. See you very soon on the Green Kitchen Channel in the next video.